Hi there, my name is Brandon Mason. I'm the product manager at DEUTZ Corporation, and today we're going to be talking about the G2.9. This engine comes in two different variants, a gasoline variant and a propane variant. It's capable of 72 horsepower and 156 foot-pounds of torque, which is comparable to the diesel version. Before we go any further, I do want to talk about the fact that there are two different kinds of industrial gasoline engines. The first is what the G2.9 is, which is a diesel engine block that has been converted to gasoline. And the second is an automotive engine that has been industrialized. So the advantage of the diesel-derived gasoline engine is that one, it's just more robust. It has been designed from the ground up to handle industrial applications. And so that means it's going to give you longer life, and actually it'll give you a little bit more resale value too. So why DEUTZ? Why a DEUTZ G2.9 engine? What makes this thing special? It can handle any application that's thrown at it. From wood chippers to forklifts to gensets, it can handle any off-road application. Good example, on this engine, it has no engine mount. It's a solid mounted engine. It's very difficult to do on an automotive engine. The industrial options just come standard. So for example, a PTO comes standard on this engine. So if you want to run your hydraulic pump, you can attach it right to the engine. You don't need any belts or pulleys to do so. Automotive engines traditionally don't have that. The next thing is that industrial maintenance is expected with this engine. Valve lash doesn't need to be checked. It has hydraulic lash adjusters as you would expect on any other diesel engine. The timing belt, there isn't one. It's got a timing gear, so you never have to change that. The next thing I want to do is talk about why the G2.9 in particular really stands out. The G2.9 comes standard with electronic fuel injection. So that means you're going to have better cold starting capabilities than the port-fueled alternatives. The next advantage is that it comes with the catalytic converter that comes as a certified spark arrestor. Another advantage is that it has DEUTZ right on the nameplate. So what does that mean? It means that it has the service and support and warranty that you would expect out of any DEUTZ engine. So today we have 800 service partners and it's still growing. Also, our warranty is 2,000 hours or 2 years, whichever comes first. And just to recap, the G2.9 is a heavy-duty, robust engine ready for any application that you throw at it. Thank you so much for your time today, and take care.